Res Residential Resale Real Estate Purchase Contract. Page 7. Alternative Dispute Resolution ADR. Buyer and seller agree to mediate any dispute or claim arising out of or relating to this contract in accordance with the Realtor's dispute resolution system, or as otherwise agreed. All mediation costs shall be paid equally by the parties. In the event that mediation does not resolve all disputes or claims, the unresolved disputes or claims shall be submitted for binding arbitration. In such event, the parties shall agree upon an arbitrator and cooperate in the scheduling of an arbitration hearing. If the parties are unable to agree on an arbitrator, the dispute shall be submitted to the American Arbitration Association AAA in accordance with the AAA arbitration rules for the real estate industry. The decision of an arbitrator shall be final and non-appealable. Judgment on the award rendered by the arbitrator may be entered in any court of competent jurisdiction. Notwithstanding the foregoing, either party may opt out of binding arbitration within 30 days after the conclusion of the mediation conference by notice to the other, and in such event either party shall have the right to resort to court action. Exclusions from ADR. The following matters are excluded from the requirements for ADR. Hereunder, any action brought in the Small Claims Division of an Arizona Justice Court up to $3,500, so long as the matter is not thereafter transferred or removed from the Small Claims Division. Judicial or non-judicial foreclosure or other action or proceeding to enforce a deed of trust, mortgage or agreement for sale, an unlawful entry or detainer action, the filing or enforcement of a mechanic's lien, or any matter that is within the jurisdiction of a probate court. Further, the filing of a judicial action to enable the recording of a notice of pending action, less pendants or order of attachment, receivership, injunction, or other provisional remedies, shall not constitute a waiver of the obligation to submit the claims to ADR, nor shall such action constitute a breach of the duty to mediate or arbitrate. Attorney fees and costs. The prevailing party in any dispute or claim between buyer and seller arising out of or relating to this contract shall be awarded their reasonable attorney fees and costs. Costs shall include, without limitation, attorney fees, expert witness fees, fees paid to investigators, and arbitration costs. Additional terms and conditions. 8A, lines 305 through 334. Seller initials, buyer initials.